going on, guys? So today we're going to do some other cooking than in the kitchen. We're gonna cook up some shoes and maybe some Supremes. So today we're trying to get the Supreme COVID-19 relief tees. It's made by this, I can't pronounce his name, the Japanese designer, specifically made for this purpose, and it's a box logo, and the color print is absolutely amazing. We're gonna try to go for that, and also, as you can see on the screen, there's the Yeezy 700 Phosphors that's releasing today as well. I'm gonna try to get some of that. I've been taking a lot of L's for the past few weeks. The only thing I've gotten well is the court purples and then the motion logos, but hopefully I can get some today. The relief tees, definitely trying to get some for my personal, because I only have one box logo, and that's from I think fall and winter 16. So let's hope we can get some. 350 in stocking Adidas. That's insane. So the Yeezy drop went as planned, knowing that I wasn't gonna cop, to be honest, because it's just ridiculous. I think the stock was really low, around like less than 1,000 in Adidas and Yeezy supply each, so less than 2,000 combined. I passed the queue on manual, but when I got to it, the adult sizes were gone. I think it was sold out in less than 5 minutes, which explains why I passed the splash really quickly on manual too. But I was able to cop a kid size 11.5. Not sure how big of a resale value that is, but I just wanted one just because it's really hard to get. So we'll see how that one goes. But main thing I want to focus on is the Supreme now, because honestly, it's kind of scary how like everything's not going as planned today. Like first the auto solver was down and it was fixed, and it was down again, and then I have to reset up all the captures for my bots, and then when that happened, like as soon as that happened, while I finished setting it up, the drop happened, and then once I started the task, I had to restart my bot a couple of times, as you've seen, and it just never happened. Cop one manual kid, but I don't know how that one goes. But main thing I want to focus on right now is the Supreme, which is 5 minutes away. Let's hope we can get one. See how that one goes. I never used the capture on Mac before, so I don't know how that one's gonna go. Yesterday I was able to cop a mug with the AYCD auto solver, so hopefully this one today is gonna work, but we don't know. Let's hope we can get it. Oh, I got one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice. Yes. I'm glad that these proceeds go to the foundation to help with COVID-19. So everyone stay safe out there. I know it's very very intense with everything going on, but you know, stay healthy. Don't make decisions based on what you hear. Make decisions on what you know. Make decisions on what's best for you, what's best for your family. All right. If you guys enjoy this video, like it, subscribe to me. I'm gonna try to post more of it. Obviously, this is my first time doing it, so I don't know how well I did. Followed Nova's footstep. You know, like he's like set an example for us, and I just wanted to, you know, show more to you guys, give you guys a inside look on what, you know, these type of things look like and what it feels like. You know, it's pretty intense. It's not as easy as you would think, but hope you guys like it. And I'm gonna probably drop a cooking video, actual cooking in the kitchen, probably this weekend. All right, peace out.